I went to Polish restaurant yesterday. This is actually my favorite Polish restaurant. So, like anything else, when I get to the foodies, this is my comfort food. So, my favorite food in a Polish restaurant is pierogi. My favorite. I know it sounds crazy to all of you, but it's sauerkraut and mushroom. I don't know what it is, but I love it. I love it boiled. The pierogi comes in two ways. For those of you that do not know anything about pierogis, not to say you're bad, but just let's liven up your culture. So pierogi comes in two different ways, whether you want to boil it or you want to fry it. I personally like to taste the boiled one, and sauerkraut and mushroom. And I always ask for the extra onion. I just love it. I don't care. Well, I tell them, just charge me. I love the extra onion. So that's what I had yesterday because I was in the neighborhood and I thought, oh, you know what? Let me go. It's called Little Poland. I think it's between 12 and 13 or something like that. We'll give you the map. But it's amazing. The other thing that they're really good for, it's the potato pancakes. You have to kind of wait for 15 minutes, so you have to tell them right away that, and you can have it obviously with applesauce and sour cream. But I'm Indonesian. My parents are Chinese, so I don't eat my potato pancake. I don't mix my salty stuff with sweet. So I eat my potato pancakes. Hear this out. I eat it with ketchup and Tabasco sauce. Sounds crazy. And if they have crushed red pepper, I put that in too. So I like the taste of like savory, almost like the sriracha sauce, right? Very soury, but I love sriracha, but it just has too much stuff on it. I just want things like my cookbook. Very simple. 5 ingredients under like 20 minutes. But anyway, if you go to this restaurant, I highly recommend the pierogi. That comes with different flavor too. You can have it with meat. You can have it. There's vegetarian, if I'm not mistaken. I sent you guys the menu. You guys can choose. Some of my friends like the blintzes, but it's too sweet for me. The blintzes is like almost like crepe with blueberry or cherries or cream cheese. Just you name it, you got it for that. And my nephew, I think my nephew loves the sausage. Maybe they don't like it anymore, but a long time ago, they liked the sausage. And the other things that I love from them is the soup. Okay, there's mushroom barley, but I didn't get the mushroom barley. Let me tell you why. Because sometimes when I get food, I think of like comfort food. I think the way that how I was raised. And my grandmother used to make this tripe soup. And I kid you not, the tripe soup in the Polish restaurant tastes very similar like the tripe soup that my grandma makes. I would recommend that if you like sauerkraut and mushroom, you order sauerkraut and mushroom with extra onion. It's sauté onion. And besides, onion is good for you. It keeps you healthy. There's a lot of antioxidant. I'm not a doctor. Never trust me, but it's good for you. So I would do that. Or you can order anything that you want. Definitely, you must try the potato pancake. And if you don't have the stomach for tribes, don't worry about it. There's like millions of soup. Have the mushroom and barley soup. It's yummy. It's super, super, super good. But when I go there, because no one, absolutely no restaurant make tripe soup as good as they do. Okay? And I don't feel like no one makes the pierogi as good as they do. I mean, I like Vilseka. Vilseka is another one if you want to go. But I don't know. I just like Little Poland because it's very authentic and the waitress are cranky, but it's okay. But it's just part of the course. I don't think any waitress or any waiter is as bad as Chinatown waiters. I'm telling you. I mean, you go there to Chinese restaurant, you go like, what do you want? What kind of food do you want? I mean, oh my gosh, who speaks like that? But whatever. So it's just their culture. It's nothing personal. And they start yelling as if like, family, they yell. Chinese people yell all the time. And sometimes I'm not accustomed to it. Polish restaurant, Little Poland. It's in the East Village. It's on 12th Street and 2nd Avenue. Delicious tripe soup. You must try the pumpernickel bread because they freshly made. That's why I show you the picture. Freshly made and really, really yummy. So try the tripe soup, get a bowl, and the pumpernickel bread. Anyway, Enjoy. Happy eating. Happy food. Bye.